1 2 1 2, testing 1 2 1 2. All right, welcome ladies and gentlemen, happy Sunday. If it's raining wherever you are watching me from, enjoy the rain. If it's cold, enjoy the cold. If it's hot, enjoy the temperature, man. It's just a new week, new setups, new opportunities. Let's try to get that dollar. Who do we have? Mohau saying good afternoon. I guess Mohau wrote this just before we started with the stream. Good afternoon to the president and the choppers. Another week, another dollar to be made. Wishing everyone a wonderful, prospective and profitable week ahead. Brian is saying good day to you. I think I met Brian in Cape Town. I think I met Brian yesterday in Cape Town. Good to see you, my good sir. Google said, let me patiently wait right there. Yeah, we are up. We are running. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. I've got gold on my chart. We finally hit 3,000. Apia Mangame. This is what I'm going to say to you, choppers. I think we are one of the few channels on YouTube that caught the gold right to say we are definitely heading to 3,000 mark. Api Amanga OE2. The light is saying, what's up? Yeah, what's up, man? So is saying, choppers, we are within. Indeed, we are. For those of you just joined us now, please ensure that you like the stream. Lutolo Peter is saying, Lutolo from PE. Yo, thank you for the Sundays, cause the lives in the week. I'm back on 9 to 5 and trading. What an experience, loving it. Now I have 4 trading accounts thanks to you. May God bless you. Thank you so much, Lugolo. May God also bless you on your side. I'm glad that you are growing. Say please check in video will do so, my friend. Doomin Love is saying, is the session on? Yeah, we are within, my friend. We are on. Tidisu is saying good morning, president, and the choppers in the house. It's raining in Middleback and the network is bad. Hopefully you get it right. Hopefully you get it right there. Yes, we have not been streaming for quite some time. It's been a long time since we have streamed because it was a budget speech week, so I had to do a lot of interviews, so I was never available. Please, my apologies, choppers, but I'm back. Another week, another check, says Mohau. This is not that is in the house. Robs is saying good evening, Mr. President. Kananelo saying first time see Mr. President, casual. Yeah, man, it's a Sunday. I just landed like 2-3 hours ago. I just landed from Cape Town, so yeah. So I had to change outfit and just spend time with the family, you know. Mr. Kurisang is in the house. Lutol is saying on gold have a sell at 2,999. Not sure of TP. We'll have a look at it now. All right, let's look at gold. So allow me to have my charts there. There we go. All right, so for those of you that are not on our private group, I'm encouraging you now as we are about to start that sign up, man. Sign up, it's free. Just sign up, fund your account, minimum deposit, it's only $25. I want to show you something here, and that's the reason why I'm starting like this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a bit exhausted, so please don't mind my voice, or sometimes if I repeat one thing all over. I'm just exhausted, man. I'm just exhausted. We only came back, so we had an octagala there, so we only came back in the early hours of the morning. So we slept around 2 a.m. this morning, and in the morning had to do some few things, and in the afternoon had to fly back to Johannesburg. Right, so when gold was trading at 2,986, this is what I've told my team, right? I said we are going for 3,000. Exactly at 3,000, look to sell gold. Let's see what happened. So let's do a bit of back test then. What was it that I was looking for, right? So I made this just before. So I told them on Friday 7 a.m. club. We normally meet on Fridays 7 a.m. on the private group. So I gave them this setup to say at 3,000, let's look to wait and see if gold is going to reverse at that point, and let's see what happened there, choppers. So we marked 3,000 to say 3,000. There's that drop at 3,000. And I think it goes back to some of you that I met in Cape Town. I was not pleased with. So I met a couple of you there in Cape, and I was not pleased with your charts, because when you open your charts to me, man, you had a lot of things going on your chart, right? There was just a whole lot of things. You had a lot of thousands of indicators there, and lines and fair value gaps, and there's just a whole lot of things there. And I was telling you guys that, look, you must just keep it simple. Be faithful to your price. So how did I know that we are going to drop at this level here? I marked the price 3,000, right? It's a psychological price that at 3,000 we might see a reaction there. So if you took it here with this rejection candle, right, one can ask, okay, where was I supposed to enter this trade? Let's have a look at it again. By the way, guys, this is not live trading, right? This is backtesting session. We backtest and then we do analysis for the new week, right? So one can say, Mr. President, where was I supposed to take this sell? You're supposed to take this sell when you see a rejection candle forming, right? So let's also look at something here. Just want to add something quickly. Just want to add the RSI quickly. For those of you who just joined us, please ensure that you like the stream. Just want to remove some of these things. I don't know why my RSI is no longer there. Just want to remove this and click this. Let's keep it on 80. Right. And then this, we are supposed to put it on 20. All right. So are we having divergence there on RSI? Let's have a look. We're going up on price, but we're going down on the RSI. What does that mean? We might see a drop, right? So RSI is on, check. Psychological level, check, right? We are on a 50 minutes time frame. It's in and out. We want to see how we can capitalize on this, right? So we wait for a rejection to form. Are we getting one? There. There's your rejection candle there. Use your discretion for stop loss. There you go. Lights out. I hope you took this on Friday, because we had analyzed this on Friday morning on the 7 a.m. right? Now we are on a new week. What is it that we should be looking at on gold? We have hit 3,000 mark. My anticipation is we might be going back to 3,000. I think we're going to hang around 3,000 for some time. That's my anticipation. Let's look to buy gold again this week. Only if we are above. Now, mark this price. We are currently trading at 2,984, right? If we are above that price, we can still say, let's look to go to the upside. But anything that breaks below, we might have a retest, then we go to the downside. So let's keep it simple. If we are above this level, we're going to the upside. So we have to see how we open tomorrow, right? For those of you that just joined us, please ensure that you like the stream. So we are bullish on gold only if we are above. Again, mark this price. $2,982 an ounce. Mark that price. All right, euro dollar. Let's do a bit of back testing on euro dollar. What happened on Friday? Okay, I'm gonna reverse this again. All right, so we go in 15 minutes. Let's see what happened. My analysis was we look for selling opportunities. For those of you that have attended the morning session, they would know about this. On Friday, I told them that we are looking to go to the downside. Let's see how it played out. We were bearish on Friday. Let's see what happened. Let me increase a bit of speed here, man. Let's go. And I'll tell you why. Because maybe most of you are asking, why, President, why did you be bearish there? I'll tell you why. The reason why I was bearish there is because of retail traders. What will they want to do? They see this as a retest, right? They want to make a new high. So I was telling them that we are not going up. We are actually looking to go down. It's a trap. Sucker trade. Remember? It's a trap. So when we were trading at $1.08, I was telling you guys on Friday, let's go down. Let's see what happened. There you go. Another one. Another one. Another one. Okay, one can ask, President, fine, we see that Friday you said we must be bearish. What are we doing this week? That would be a good question to ask. So this is what we are going to look into. Maybe we might reload from here, then make that new high. Why am I saying that? Retail traders stop losses are already being taken out. Let me show you something, guys. Allow me to show you this. And I keep on showing you guys this all the time, that my strategy is just simple, man. I don't complicate things. Look at this. What happens in your head when you see this? Well, we're impulsive, we retested, we go. What am I expecting? Retail traders, they like buying, right? We need to make a new low. You know how we normally convince ourselves? We need to make a new low because we are breaking, we are retesting a key significant area. Therefore, you can't be doing that on FX in 2025. Where do they put their stop losses? They buy here. Maybe they put their stop losses around this area here. Their TPs around here because they want to make a new low at $1.09, right? This is what the market maker does. He wants to take out their stop losses before he goes that direction. Look at that. Stopped out already. You are out. How many of you bought here? most retail traders, they bought there. So chances are they are now stopped out. The market maker now moves their direction. Okay, so we are going to mark two price levels. We have a level here at $1.08. We're gonna mark another price here. As long as we are above 1.08148, we are still going to the upside, right? Why are we now looking to go to the upside? Because those who committed here, they are already stopped out. Remember, we normally say it as a choppers nation that where retail traders put their stop losses, this is where we place our order. Where they put their the stop losses, this is where we place our order. So yeah, as long as we are above this, we are going to be bullish on this one. British pound USD. Okay, there you go. So we also had an analysis here. Let's go back, and I think this one I did it through the stream. I think you remember this trade, guys. This was Tuesday. Most of you were here when I made this for you on the live stream. This is what I had said to you guys. So I don't like removing my analysis so that I can try to keep it as educational as possible. Remember what I said to you guys. I said to you, don't sell here. Again, it's a sucker trade. Retail traders, they want to sell and make a new low, right? We are rebounding back at $1.28. We are possibly going back maybe to $1.27. That's what is going through their head, right? And I told you guys that let's not sell here thinking that we're going to make a new low. If we are going to do something, we are going to buy, at least at this level, buy at the discount, then we go to the upside, right? Let's see what happened. One would ask, how can we be so accurate? It's not a matter of accuracy. It's a matter of principle. It's a matter of understanding that the market is evolving. The market is a repetition. So we have figured out how people normally get. And by the way, guys, this is something that I'm going to be showing you guys tomorrow for, remember the crypto seminar is going to be happening on the Okta website, right? Make sure that you sign up also for it. It's free, that one. Free. I'll be showing you the strategy, this type of strategy on crypto, how you can utilize this because it's a false move strategy where retail traders normally sell and buy at certain areas and they get caught on the wrong side, right? So if you listened to me on Tuesday, where are you buying? There. Though time was not going to be with you because we don't trade after 7 p.m. ATR 10 pips stop loss, ATR times 2. Let's see, no, 20 pips, ATR times 2. Put your stop loss on 20 pips, TP. There you go. Easy money, man. Easy money. This was Tuesday. Can you see? This was Tuesday when we drew this. It was Tuesday during the live stream. Right. Now, let's see what happened. Now, Friday. I told you guys we are selling we are selling British pound USD to go to the downside. This was my analysis here. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let me zoom it out for you guys. Right. Now, again, choppers, let's have a look at this. What is happening in the mind of a retail trader? At this point, we are trending, right? Break, retest, they buy here and say what? We are making a new high. It's a continuation. If you're a chopper, you wouldn't be trading like that. So I said, we're going to look for this, then drop. Let's see what happened there. There you go. Lights out. Again, one can ask, how can we be so accurate? It has nothing to do with accuracy. We don't really care about accuracy. We care about the principle in which we look at our strategy. Okay, Mr. President, we see that you said we must sell there. What is the entry criteria? Let's go through it together. One, two too low. Where's your fib? Fib from high to low, your lowest point. There. Right? You don't find a rejection candle on 15 minutes, you scale low. You go lower, right? Please forgive my messy chart. Let's see. So your entry is at 786. There's your entry there. On 786. There's your TP. So if your entry is there, depending on how you see it, I'm going to remove this. No, let me do this rather. Okay. So your entry could have been this one here. Let's go back. Where is it now? I want it here. Here, I want it there. Please ensure that you are attentive and you're having some notes there, right? Rejection candle, remember the rules. You wait for the rejection candle. 786, we want to sell at $1.09. Rejection candle there, printed nicely. Stop loss, again, it's all up to you how you see it. ATR 5 pips, ATR times 2, 10 pips. So your stop loss would be good there. Let's see. There you go. As easy as that. No complications, nothing whatsoever. So if you ask us why were we selling when everyone was buying, there's your answer. What are we doing this week? The only thing I'm concerned about is we are now trading within this price here. And we are not really going anywhere. So I would safely say, let's be on the sideline on this until we see maybe a break above our POC level. So if we break above this level here, then we can look to go to the upside. So let's see how we open, but we are bullish. We are bullish on this one. All right, so far for the week, we got euro dollar right, British pound USD right, gold we also got it right. Let's look at German. So German this week was acting funny. Again, this is my analysis for Friday with the team. I told them on Friday, German, if you break above, look to buy it. Let's go to 15 minutes. See what happened there. Right. One could have taken this as an entry, this rejection candles here, to continue to go to the upside. We thought maybe we were going to correct maybe at 22,830 or so, but we corrected at 22,890. This is where we have corrected. So one could have taken it there. New week. What are we doing this week on German? Can safely say again, we are buying German this week. We are buying German again this week. This is what we're gonna wait for. Going to the upside, so bullish on German. Gonna be bullish on German. The only way we can stop being bullish if we break again. Mark this price, write it down. 22,784. If we play below that level, that's when we can say we're gonna stop looking for buy orders. So we are going to be bullish on German. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream as you are watching. NAS 100. Again, this was our analysis on Friday. Man, last week we were on fire. One would say we control the markets. One would say we control the markets. So I was telling them, so we wanted to actually buy here at 19,373. It failed. It couldn't take off, right? Which is okay. We let it go. So it couldn't take off. Started consolidating. And I said to them, guys, there's something we need to see here. This here might be a trap. Break, retest. Retail traders, they want to make a new low, right? We are trending to the downside, therefore let's buy. And I told them, we're going to look for buying opportunities. I told them to mark 19,362. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's important for you to attend those morning sessions. This is where we give you most of the accurate prices, right? I'm not going to tell you about direction. Price, which is very important. Price, right? This is where you're going to buy your Nasdaq. To the upside. Put your stop loss as tight as it can be. There. So we don't like sending the we hit TP and whatnot. We like analyzing the market, real time analyzing the market. Right. We enjoy analyzing the market. Right, what are we doing this week? One would say, Mr. President, fine, we see we were correct in Nasdaq on Friday. What are we doing this week? This setup here, mark this price, 19,731 would be your friend this week. You break above it, you retest, you go to the upside. Break above, retest, you go to the upside. Right, that's NAS 100 bullish. US 30, man, we were on fire on Friday. I want you to check the time here. Look at the time here below. Look at what it's saying there. 7:15. So this is the time in the morning we had analyzed this. Right, so the previous day we thought maybe we can break retest, go to the upside here at 41,500. It failed, didn't go our direction. Then on Friday I said let's try it again. Look for a rejection candle here. Why again? Retail traders, they make the same mistakes. What will a retail trader do? Will think that it's a retest, it's a trend, right? They see a trend. So you can see how we've been trying to catch this thing here, failed. Tried to catch it here at 41,500, failed. Now we said let's try it again here at 40,879. We wanted to catch it there again with the rejection candle. Then we go to the upside. Let's see what happened. There you go. Nicely so. What are we doing this week? We're buying US30 again. Where are we buying US30? We are shifting this thing here. We're buying this thing again. Break, retest, we go up. Please forgive me for my messy charts, guys. It's just for demonstration purpose. There. So we are bullish again. Have we looked at WTI? Nope, we have not. Let's see what happened on WTI. Sure, messy chart. Again, I don't like deleting this because it's the previous sessions that we've had. I was saying to you, we might be ranging between $67 a barrel and $66 a barrel there, right? So you break above it, you go to the upside. This one is easy, guys. This one is clear. By the way, if you're an Orlando Pirate fan, congratulations to you. If you're a Sundowns fan, tough luck to you. None of the two teams are my favorites either way. Right, so WTI, I don't know why I'm just thinking of these two teams while I'm doing WTI. So we break below $67.29, we go to the downside. We break above $67.26 a barrel, we go to the upside. Right. Break above, retest, go to the upside. Because why? We are consolidating. I've marked $68. I've marked that we are going to $68. Let's look at 4 hours on WTI. Man, we've been dropping, man. We're coming from $79.32 a barrel to this low of 65 cents a barrel. We all know that somehow this is affected by all the confusion that is happening around the White House. My take on this is that we might be seeing $68 to the upside. The only thing is that we are ranging in between. How can one catch this? Break above, retest, go to the upside. If you break below this, that's when you can go to. But I'll be frank with you guys. I'm not going to look for any selling opportunities on this WTI. I'm not. I'm looking for buying opportunities. Only if I break above. Again, when you see this, right? Understand my analysis on this. Don't just buy now because you see this. Buy only when you... There are things that needs to print. We need this to confirm. We need this to confirm. We need our ATR to confirm. We don't just buy, right? Or you don't just buy here. Wait for it to break, retest, then we go to the upside. That's my take on WTI. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. I'm not going to entertain Bitcoin until I break above 92 cents. For those of you that are looking for intraday setups, let's have a look at 1 hour. Let me see what I can give you here. Key significant area formed at 84,340. Retest this level, take it to the upside. It's easy as that. As long as you are below it, don't look to buy this thing. For those of you that are going to look at intraday setups, as for me, I want it on 4 hours, but I can only buy it around 92,000, which is here. I need to buy it around here. Safest entry would be above here. This will be the safest. Right. Okay, those are my setups for the week. We have looked at euro dollar, British pound USD, or AUD USD. Ooh, how could I forget? Right, AUD USD. Our analysis was we sell at this point. We got it wrong. We got it wrong. AUD USD, we completely got it wrong. We failed on this one. Right, so this is the only thing, and I just wanted to see a continuation down. That's why I wanted us to sell here. So if we took a sell here, we could have been stopped out. This one we got it wrong. Put stop loss here. Let's see ATR. ATR is at $10. So ATR times 2, $20. I mean 20 pips. There. Okay. TP around here. Let's see. Stopped out immediately. So we got this one wrong. So yeah, for the week we only got this one wrong on our analysis. AUD USD. How can we approach it for the new week? We remain bullish now. Wait for this. Then we go to the upside. Right. Okay. So that's what we have. These are all my trades and my setups. If you have something that you want to suggest, let's have a look at Google quickly. The stocks have been dropping, man, and you know I like buying them, right? They've been dropping. Stock market has been dropping. It's now trading at $168.53 a share. I need momentum on these things before I can look to commit. A psychological level for me will be at $176 a share. Then I can go up. Man, I had a powerful conversation with the good friends of mine in the industry, right, in Cape Town, and I felt so bad, man. You know, we were just discussing brokers, ne? And it's sad, guys. Like, I don't want to badmouth any broker. I'm not about that. You know me. I don't want to badmouth anyone. I don't like doing that. But it's sad to hear what local brokers are doing, man. It's so sad. I wish I could share it with you guys, and you know, because I was being told this in confidence. But it's so sad, man. I sat down with this guy's been in these brokers for quite some time, local brokers, South African brokers, and it's so sad. It's so sad. And I was told this, like I said, in confidence, because he doesn't want to get into trouble. But all I can say, guys, is if you are using a South African broker, like, you really need to know what you're doing. And I'm not saying this to endorse Okta or anything. I'm just saying, if you're using a South African broker, like, you really need to know what you're doing, man. So he was telling me the things they used to do. Remember, I used to tell you guys at 11 o'clock when the market, there's obviously switch over, the market is closing, New York is closing. That's when they balance in their books. So you find yourself on a trade, it's running, and three things. So this guy worked for this local broker, and he said to me, MJ, let me tell you something. Guys that and I'm sorry just to be off topic of the charts, I'm just reminded of this. He said to me, there are 3 types of traders that we hate as a local broker. And I said, well, who are they, brother? He said, the guys that use stop losses, we hate them because it's not difficult to manipulate them. So we hate stop loss guys. We hate stop loss guys. Right? And I said, why do you say so? He said, no, it's not easy for us to manipulate. You remember when I tell you guys that I'm in a trade for 2 hours and I'm out? There's a reason why I'm doing that. And this has nothing to do with the broker. It's just my psychological mindset behind how the market maker makes up orders, right? And make deals. So that one is my 2-hour rule has nothing to do with the brokers. It's just market make. I understand how this speculative trading is all about, right? So he said we hate guys that have stop losses. We hate them so much because it's difficult to deal, right, with them. And he said we also hate traders that do not leave the traders that closes their trades before 11 o'clock. We also hate them, right? Because they're making our job difficult. Because on around 11 o'clock, we need to see who's making money and who's not making money. The ones that are not making money, we B book them. The ones that are making money, we A book them. All right? So they can just deal with that. Okay? And he was just telling me of a local broker that once widened the spread during the news release. I think it was GBP USD. And the reason why that broker did that is because they didn't have enough liquidity. They didn't have cash afloat. Right? They didn't have much money. They didn't have cash afloat. They needed to balance their books. So they needed to get as much money as they can. So he says, these guys, they don't have souls, man. Like they can just coming in the morning and say, how are we screwing these people? And I'm just thinking that, look, man, these are people that are using their last 500 rand, their last 1,000 rand. They want to change their lives, and there are guys that are dealing with you guys behind closed doors. You know, so guys, I don't know, but I think there's still a lot that we need to do, and it's so it's 11 p.m., 11 in the evening. That's when they need to sit and, man, he was even telling me about FOMC that we used to make a lot of money during FOMC. But yeah, man, it is what it is. The industry is like that. And it's not only, believe you me, it's not only local brokers. For your own information, it's just that he was involved in one of or many local brokers, right? Even international ones can do that too. You know. All right. If you have a setup that you want me, that I don't trade and you want me to look at it, let me know. Someone is asking about USD Japanese. Let's have a look at USD Japanese for the week. So what I see here on the USD Japanese, if you look at 4 hours, we've been trending quite some time, right? If I was trading USD Japanese, you know me by now, I could have entered this buy here. And I'll tell you why again. Look at this. You're coming from a trend. Psychologically, what are you thinking? It's a retest. Let's make a new low, right? So what I do is I want this trap here and go to the upside. That's what I would have done. Okay, so for those of you that are trading USD Japanese, just so you know that you have already missed one trade. So I wait for a rejection candle, something like this or something like this, then I go to the upside. There's my trade there. There's my trade there. There's the rejection there. I buy there. Okay, so for the next coming week, there are two things I'm battling with in my head, because I'm looking at euro dollar, I'm looking at British pound, and I'm thinking we might maybe see a bit of a weakness from the dollar. And for me to think that we're gonna make a new high, it's something else. I would say this is what you can be looking at, and at this point here, can look to maybe drop it to the downside. That's my take on this. So that those again that have committed with sells here, their stop losses have been taken out. Okay. So that's my take on the Shabbos. Can we not forget to like the stream? Let's see how many likes do we have. Remember, our target is sure. Today is poor, guys. We have only 59 people that have liked the stream, and 76 are watching. Can we do better, Choppers? Please like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream. All right, so that's my take on USD Japanese. Let me see some of your questions. Kinosi said we really miss you this past week. Yes, I also miss you guys. Like I said, I had a lot of interviews to attend. If you've missed some of these interviews that I had about my analysis on the Fed hike, you can check it out on my Instagram page. The recorded versions are there. So we did 5 interviews in 5 days. 5 interviews in 5 days. So we did UFM, we did Power FM, we did CNBC Africa, we did Africa Business Magazine, we also did Business Tech Africa. So those are the interviews that we had. So it was quite a hectic week for me, man. It was just a hectic week. So my apologies, guys, for not streaming. It was just tough on my side. Nteso is asking which time frame must we look at for rejection. Always, my friend, if it's not Bitcoin, 15 minutes. We normally look at 15 minutes. Mutas is saying I bought but I survived. I'm not sure which one was he talking about. Brani said because of you I now understand the retail traders. Is it my okay? I'll just say, given the Jessica is asking, how do you see difference between a market that is moving towards 786 as a correction to continue in the same direction versus the actual change in direction? So it's pretty much simple. What we do is we look at the market that is trending. It has to trend first, right? Because that's a trap. Then we look at this because we understand that many have sold here. Why? They psychologically they are thinking that we are coming from here. Okay. So they want to sell here. Fine, they got it right. They want to sell again here. That's where we buy here with the rejection candle, our first entry, like the demonstration we did here with USD Japanese. Then we've got our 1 here, we've got our 2 here. Take feet from this low to that high. And go to the upside. So in an actual fact, we have a inverse head and shoulder peak formation formed. Then we might see the market reversing. Okay. Again, those that are trading head and shoulders, they might be screwed again because this market might be doing something like this. So for those of you that are trading the neckline, I don't know how to call it. They say once you pass neckline, retest the neckline, continue, you are screwed again. Andrew is asking, can you look at gold? So we are bullish on gold. We're still bullish on gold. Some of our members sold it at 3,000 as we had anticipated, but as long as we are above this, guys, please don't forget, don't just buy it now. See if we are holding. If we are holding 2,981, we're still going up. But if we are below it, then we are not going to entertain any buy orders. So Lily is asking, are we buying at 2,983? No, we are not. We are not. We are looking if it's holding, right? If it's holding this price and we are not going anywhere, that's when we look for this. Then that's when we're gonna buy. Okay. To be honest with you, I really didn't want to stream in the morning. I actually wanted to get a morning off and just work after 12 tomorrow. But my other mind is telling me we should stream in the morning. I don't know what you guys think. But I don't want to lie. I'm exhausted, man. But what I know is that I'm also behind in my trades. I had a very busy week. I missed a lot of trades this week. I don't know what you guys think about streaming in the morning. GBP USD. Yo, I don't know when was the last time I looked at this thing. Let's see. Let's see if we have 100 likes. How many likes are we having? All right, so we are having 73 likes. Before I do this one, let's hit those likes, guys. Let's hit those likes. We have a new tradition now. We need to hit 100 likes every stream. Let's do better. Only 74 have liked the stream. 87 people watching. Let's do better, folks. Let's do better. Let's like the stream. Please, let's ensure that we like the stream. Let's see now. 77 of you have liked the stream. So I'm only gonna carry on once we hit at least 85. All right, for those of you that missed me in Cape Town yesterday, do not worry. I'm coming back again on the. I'm actually going again April, but that's for holiday. There, I'm not seeing anyone, guys. I'm just going for holiday. I need to take some time off, but I'll be there again for FMAS for the 29th and the 30th of May. Remember, we've got FMAS, right? So ensure that you're there. Then you can see me on the month of May. For those of you who missed seeing me yesterday, I was actually there. So I saw a couple of you guys yesterday, and it was good to see you in real life, guys. You guys are very interesting. It was good to see some of you there, and I was able to look at your charts, and we were having a chat about your charts. You were showing me your analysis, and yeah, I could only advise where I could. All right, 82 of you at least like the stream. NZD, British Pound, NZD. Sure, like I said, guys, I don't know when was the last time I looked at this, but I can clearly think that I don't think it will be wise to. My take on this is that there's a lot of money here. My take on this is that a lot of retail traders bought this. That's my take. My take is a lot of retail traders bought this. So this is what I'm seeing. From here, that's when maybe you can say you can go to the upside. So if I were you, Kenosi, I would look to be bearish on British Pound and ZD tomorrow. From tomorrow, I think there's a lot of money there. I think there's just a whole lot of money there. Zbui say, Mr. President, morning session. Andrew saying, can you stream again tomorrow night? So yeah, Andrew, we normally stream in the morning, my friend, or in the afternoon. Andrew, you'll be surprised. So listen to what Andrew's saying. He's saying, because streaming in the morning is going to be hard for lots of people to watch because they have to get through their day. Man, if only you knew this community. Do you guys know that according to our stats, this is amazing. Now, when you look at the YouTube analytics, right, we are clocking around 120, 125, 110, 90, 100, somewhere there, right? Mornings. So our mornings have more people than any other time. Afternoon doesn't have much people than morning. So afternoon we are ranging between 75 to 100 these days. But mornings we have always 100 plus. Believe you me there, Andrew. Man, this community will amaze you. Look at today's Sunday. It's 9 p.m. It's a Sunday family time. But these guys are here, man. I've never seen such a dedicated community like this. I've never, in my entire 10 years of trading, never seen such. And I can tell you that these are the same people. Same people. So yeah, Andrew, we normally stream in the morning, and that's where we get a lot of people. So evenings, normally they are out for me because I'm doing other things as well. Kinosi is saying, take a break and relax. We will see you in the afternoon. Maggie is saying, I realize that gold not always come to test some of the zone they're supposed to. So my question is, will it later retest though it's gone? What's the price there, Maggie? Retest what price? Give me price there. Radile saying, you once said if the stream has 100 people, then you might do sessions every day. Yeah, man, for the past 3 weeks or so, the stream has grown drastically. I think you have also noticed that we just came from 4,000 subscribers, went straight to 6,000 subscribers. Yeah, we'll look into that. Radile, you man, you always hold me to my words. It's like you record everything that I say, and you come and you're like, aha, I got you. So I just need to be careful when I say things in front of you, my friend. I even forgot about that. How many of you remember this? That was, I think, Uradila, that was when we used to stream and we were like 12. That's what used to happen. I used to say that a lot. When we were like 12, 15, I used to say if we hit like 100 people watching the stream, we would stream every day. Be careful what we wish for. Meryl Bernard is saying, can you please check Euro Japanese? Sure. Let's see Euro Japanese. Right, so we're ranging between this level here and this one here. Right. Fixed range volume, POC at 159,510. This is where we have our POC. I want to see something on 4 hours. Sure. It's just one of those. All right, Bernard, I would say look for buying opportunities. Mark this price 161.45. As long as you are above this level, look to see if maybe you can correct above this level and look to go to the upside. So wait for the session to open tomorrow. If you are below this level, right, the same price I said you must mark. If you are below it, wait to be below this one here. Look for that correction, and that's when you can go to the downside. That will be the safest trade. Okay, but as long as you're above this, then you can look for your buy orders. That's my take on Euro Japanese. Robs is asking, what time are you going live in the afternoon? So we normally, if we are live in the afternoon, we normally go live from 3:30 Central African time or South African Standard Time. Monday said, Mr. President, Friday Zoom session didn't go through. I don't know whether it was only me. No, it went through, my friend. We had people attending the 7 a.m. session. By the way, guys, for those of you that are new here, so we have 2 sessions normally we would have in the morning. So the ones that are in the private group, I normally meet with them privately 7 a.m. in the morning. We discuss our own things, then we come on the stream. Sometimes we don't. All right, and one can ask, how do I join this? Am I paying a subscription or what not? Nope. We are not charging you a cent to join our private group. We're just trying to also give back to our partner, our stakeholder, which is Okta. So by showing appreciation and support, you can always use the link down below in the description. Sign up and send me a text on WhatsApp. Then I'm gonna add you on the group. Takes me less than 2 minutes to do so. All right. Minimum deposit is $25, and remember that money is still your money, guys. Please don't get me wrong. That money is still your money. If you make a deposit with Okta, and you are like, okay, I'm still new, I'm not ready to trade. Yes, keep it there. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Just keep it there until you are comfortable. You can keep it as long as you want to. We are not forcing you to make a deposit and force you to trade. That's not what we are about. It's just a requirement for you to join our private group. That's all. So a requirement is to make a deposit, it's not to trade it. And learn as much as you can. Then when you are ready and comfortable, that's when you can trade it. So Mandla, yeah, check my friend. I don't know. I sent the link in the morning, and I think everyone had access. So all of us, we met on Friday morning. There was no streaming, but we met for the 7 a.m. club. So yeah, that's my WhatsApp number there. You can WhatsApp us there, or you can send us an email on info@tradewithmj.co.za if you want to make inquiries about what is it that we do. All right, choppers, let me love you guys and leave you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just need to take some rest, guys. It's been a very hectic week for me and a hectic weekend, and I'm sure it has also been for you guys. I mean, some of you guys here are rocking up and you're having your 9 to 5. I know how it's not easy to have a 9 to 5 and having to attend the stream, learn, and those kind of things, you know. So I respect you for that. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you on the other side. If we are streaming in the morning, check out our group, right? There is another free group also. It's on the description where we normally send, or you can follow me on Instagram and check the updates. If I'm gonna stream in the morning, definitely I'm gonna announce on there, but there's a high chance that we're gonna stream in the morning. 65% chance that we're gonna stream in the morning. 65% chance. Just need to also look at my diary and the day, then we can always take it from there. Like I said, I missed a lot of trades because I was busy with the budget speech last week. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.